There's two people walking along a beach, and overhead there's some birds flying. And one person looks up and says, "Look at those birds." And the other person says, "Yes, that's interesting. There's a seagull, there's a sparrow, there's a hawk, there's something else." So for the first person, they were just birds in general. The second person was much more specific. It's that type of bird, or that type of bird. So in the 6 value medals, we look at values in the same way. That very often we talk about values as a large, amorphous thing called values. Here we define different types of values, important types of values, so that we can search for those values, we can discuss those values, we can try and implement those values. And the different values we look at, there's the gold medal, and the gold medal refers to human values, values that matter directly to people, and values can be both positive or negative, praise, achievement, humiliation, all human values. Then we have a silver medal. Silver medal are values that matter to the organization, whatever the organization might be. If it's a corporation, it might be profit, market share, brand image, and so on. Then we have steel medal. Steel medal are quality values, the quality of whatever we're doing. Quality of steel if we're making steel, quality of our service in a hotel if we're running a hotel, quality values. Then we have the glass medal, and this is innovation. Innovation, because glass is very flexible, you can make a huge number of different things with glass. Innovation, so any new ideas, any change, any new thing, that is a new value of its newness, glass medal. Then we have the wood medal, and wood medal is ecology. Ecology in its broadest sense, not just nature, but surroundings, everything around. So if you're running a factory in a small town and you close it, that has a big effect on the town. Ecology is all the surroundings surrounding something. And the last medal is the brass medal. That's a very important one. That is perception. You may do something which is very good, but is perceived very badly. Occasionally you may do something bad which is perceived very well. So perception says, how is this perceived? It's the brass medal, because brass looks like gold, but isn't gold, but could be perceived as gold. So perception. So there we have the 6 value medals, the gold medal, silver medal, steel medal, glass medal, wood medal, brass medal. Each of them can have a value from +4, +3, +2, +1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So they have values. And you can do a value scan, and you put out the different medals in different ways, and that could be the gold medal, the silver, steel, glass, wood, and brass, and you put a different value in each. This you might say is +3, -2, -1, +1, +2, 0. So you can compare your value scan with someone else. So now you can compare values, you can discuss values, you can focus in on different types of values rather than just having values as some broad, large, amorphous mass called values. So it's a specific way of looking for, discussing, arguing about values. So 6 value medals, a specific way of looking at different values specifically, one after the other. 6 value medals.